Here I have Google Pixel 7, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then enable top shot feature. That's how it's done. Then you just take some photo, some moving object, I don't know, it could be like this flower, and then go to gallery, tap on three dots here, and here you have shots in this photo, and here you can select one single shot that you like the most and delete other ones, just like in the normal burst photo, but that's how they made it on this Google Pixel device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.